How to log into ADP Mobile account. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily log into your ADP Mobile account. First thing you can do is simply search for ADP Mobile Login on your web browser, tap on the first link and go to this adp.com mobile login. Now just go ahead and select which account you want to log into. So if you are an employee, just go ahead and select which kind of employee you are and then tap on this plus icon. Then you just go ahead and click on employee login and you'll be taken directly over to the employee login page. And here you just have to provide some of your login details in order to sign into your account. So first thing you can do is provide your user ID. And if you want the browser to remember it, check this box and then tap on next. Now you just need to provide your password and simply click on sign in. If both of your login credentials are correct, you should be able to sign in without any problem. What you can next do is, if you're having trouble, you can just click on need help signing in and they'll offer you a way to recover your account, whether it's your user ID or password. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button below, subscribe to its channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.